How to add hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a hyperlink in Microsoft PowerPoint. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Microsoft PowerPoint and load the presentation where you want to add your hyperlink. Now once you have opened it, simply choose the slide where you would like to place the hyperlink. Let's say I'm working on the slide number 3. On this slide, select the specific word or phrase you want to link. For example, I will choose the text email marketing to attach a link to a website. And there is two methods to do this. So the first method is to right click on the selected text and from the menu that appears, simply click on link or hyperlink, and after that a new window will pop up, and here you can choose what kind of hyperlink to add. The most common option is to add a link to an existing website. So select existing website or web page from the left panel, and then in the address field at the bottom, enter the website URL. For example, I will just type www.google.com. After that, just click OK, and that's it. Now the selected text is a hyperlink. You notice it says Ctrl plus click to follow link. So when you hold the Ctrl key and click it, it will take you to the website. Now method 2. Now the another way to do this is by selecting the word or phrase again and then going up at the top ribbon and click on the insert tab. From there, click on link or hyperlink depending on your version, and you would see the same pop-up window where you can enter your web address just like in the first method. And that's all there is to it. Two simple ways to add hyperlink in your PowerPoint slides. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.